This dance is called What Happens Next. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, beginner stroke improver level line dance with 1 restart. So starting on our right foot with a mambo step. So we rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, right beside left. Back mambo on the left, so we rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, step the left beside the right. Couple of heel switches, so we touch the right heel forward, right beside left, left heel forward, left beside right. Stomp the right, small step forward, stomp the left, beside the right. Into some toe fans. So both of the toes are going to move out and then back in, but raising your toes off the ground. Toe fan out and then back in. Fan, fan. So that set of steps once more then. Mambo step off on the right. 7, 8. Mambo step. Back mambo. Heel and stomp, stomp, fan, fan. So yes, a lot of steps in that section, which means a lot of hand counts. Step the right back, kick the left forward, step back on the left, kick the right forward. Into a coaster cross, right foot leading, back, close, cross. Step the left to the side, flick the right back and tap it with your left hand, if you can. Step the right to the side, flick the left back and slap it with your right hand, if you can. Follow that by a vine to the left with a quarter turn on the end. So we step the left to the side, right behind, turn a quarter left and scuff that right. So that little set of steps once more then. Back kick off on the right. 7, 8. Back kick, coaster, cross, side flick, side behind, turn, scuff. Let's add that to the top. Mambo step off on the left, right. 7, 8. Mambo step. Back mambo, heel and stomp, stomp, fan, fan, back kick, coaster, cross, side flick, side behind, turn, scuff. Step lock steps. Now we're going to do right foot leading step lock to the right diagonal. So keep yourself facing 9 o'clock, but all your steps are going to be travelling to the diagonal. So you step that right diagonally forward, lock the left behind the right, step the right diagonally forward, scuff the left. Repeat with the left foot, going diagonally to the left. So we step the left forward on the diagonal, lock the right behind the left, step the left forward, scuff that right. Into a jazz box, cross the right over left, step the left to the side, step left back, right to the side, scuff the left over the right. Into a cross shuffle, so we cross left over right, right to the side, left over right, scuff that right forward. So that set of steps once more then, step locks off on the right. 7, 8. Step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, cross, back, side, scuff, cross, side, cross, scuff. Let's add that to the top. Mambo step off on the right. 7, 8. Mambo step, back mambo, heel and stomp, stomp, toe fan, back, kick, coaster, cross, side flick, side behind, turn, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, cross, back, side, scuff, cross, side, cross, scuff. So having scuffed that right, you're now going into a side mambo. So you're going to rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, step the right beside the left. Rock the left, out to the left, angle your body towards the right, but you're then going to recover on that right and make a quarter turn to the left. Step the left beside the right. So that's a side rock, quarter turn, and then bring the feet together. Into a rocking chair, right foot leading. Step forward on the right, hitch and clap the left. Step forward on the left, hitch and clap the right. So that set of steps once more then. Side mambo, off on the right. 7, 8, side mambo, rock, turn, close, rocking chair, step, hitch. End the dance when you get to that point. So let's put it all together. Mambo step off on the right. 7, 8, mambo step, back mambo, heel and stomp, stomp, fan, fan. Back kick, coaster, cross, side flick, side behind, turn, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, cross, back, side, scuff, cross, scuff, side mambo, rock, turn, close, rocking chair, step, hitch. So that's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Mambo step off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing. Now there are some optional turning steps. Normally I'm giving you non-turning steps. Choreographer has actually provided some turning steps in this dance. So on that last little piece where you do your step, hitch, you can actually turn should you wish to, and effectively do a full turn as you're travelling forward. So if you wish to put some additional turns into the dance, this is one place that you can actually do it. So choreographer has suggested that you make a quarter turn to the right, to the left, as you step the right to the side. Hitch the left as you make a further quarter turn to the left. Turn a half left as you step the left forward, hitch the right. So quarter turn left, hitch making a quarter, further half turn as you step the left forward, hitch the right. Turning steps should you wish to introduce them. Otherwise, that is your dance. But it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Mambo step up on the right. 7, 8, mambo step, back mambo, heel and stomp, stomp, toe, fan. Back kick, coaster, cross, side flick, side behind, turn, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, cross, back, side, cross, side, cross, scuff, side mambo, rock, turn, close, rocking chair, step, hitch, mambo step, back mambo, heel and stomp, stomp, fan, fan. Back kick, coaster, cross, side flick, side behind, turn, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, cross, back, side, cross, scuff, cross, scuff, side mambo, rock, turn, close, rocking chair, step, hitch. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Now there is a little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 3 after 8 and count, so at the end of that first section. So you will have done your toe fans and you restart the dance. So wall 3 is our front 12 o'clock wall. Let's have a go. 8 and counts, restart the dance. Mambo step, off on the right. 7, 8, mambo step, back mambo, heel and stomp, fan, mambo step, back mambo, heel and stomp, fan. So hopefully you get a feel for where that restart actually comes in. Wall 3 after 8 and counts. So that's it, that's your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8, mambo step, back mambo, heel and stomp, fan, back kick, coaster, cross, side flick, side behind, turn, step, lock, step, cross, back, side, cross, side, mambo, rock, turn, pose, rocking chair, step, mambo step, back mambo, heel and stomp, fan, back kick, coaster, cross, side flick, behind, turn, step, cross, side mambo, rock, turn, close, rocking chair, step, hitch, mambos. Should we start wall? Heel, stop, restart mambo, back mambo, heel and stomp, fan, back kick.
Yeah, there ain't no doubt if he ever talks about
Step locks.
his girl, she tried like hell. It was too late to save herself. So
Side
now
mambo.
she's just trying to help the next girl.
Mammos.
She probably met at a bar and walked into your car.
Back
He
kick.
said he never falls his heart. Yeah, I remember that part.
Step locks.
Gotta say alright. Things knows how to get you out of that dress. Knows how to make you think you're the best thing, but I know what happens next. You gotta think it's all your fault. It's just a switch that he turns on to make you think it's love. But I promise you it's not. Oh no, it's not. No. Oh, and I bet you probably met at a bar and walked into your car. I bet he said he never falls this hard. Yeah, I remember that part. He knows how to say alright. Things knows how to get you out of that dress. Knows how to make you think you're the best thing, but I know what happens next. Girl.
Hope you managed that one.